Outside Dougal, my drinker and the sticks, man. Roll it. Yeah. The original dream team touching down. Son of Dougal. This is the one. Hardcore one in. Oh, your puppy just begun. Young hooligan. Oh, yes, we are. OT and the Top Step crew. Hold tight, Miriam. The naughty, naughty, naughty girl. Now we bring your digital sound. Techno all around. European sound. Techno underground. European sound. Techno all around. All pumpkins come shake it. Outside of West Coast crew, hold tight, big up every time. If you're hardcore out there, make some noise. If you love Club Kinetic, make some noise. I can't fucking hear ya. Come on. Yeah. Oh, we ride. Hardcore bubbly. Riding with the sticks, man. You're riding with the Dougal. Look at the sign coming down. Wicked and wide. Have you feel the motion? Hardcore blazer. Can you feel that you can ride? Yes, it's taking you alive. Reach. Hardcore crew. You riding with the sticks, man. People gonna start coming down. Activated. Motivated. Activated. People gonna start coming down. Hardcore stopping. Bring it in the right. You ride it down fine. Keep stopping. Keep on raving. Hardcore bubbling. Coming down over the time. Keep bubbling. Ride it down. Wicked in the wire. Hardcore. Keep on bubbling. Hardcore. Yeah. Keep on stopping. Hardcore. Keep on bubbling. We're coming down so wicked in the wire. Reach. Kinetic crew. Big shout going out to Natalie. From the whole of the Liverpool crew. 3 in a minute one. We've got good jump. Big shout going out to Kate. Rob says he loves ya. Hardcore motion. Love and devotion. Ready for the jam, you ready for the jam. The hardcore bubbling, now move on along. You ready for the jam, you ready for the jam. Big shout going out to Craig from the Winning All Home crew. Hold tight. Big shout going out to Matt from Tamworth. Big shout going out to OT 19th birthday. Hardcore vibe, in a motion. Coming out so wicked and we're coming out so wild. Hardcore vibe, move on along. Keep that body stomping, keep on elevated. Reaching. You're riding with the Dougal. You're riding with the sticks, man. Look at this, that's all we're gonna do. Why? Keep bumping. Activate it. Big shout going out to JJ, the man in the wing. Come to the John. Shout going out to Rebecca from Cab. Hardcore style, with love and devotion. Yeah, we set them in a motion. Hardcore pumping, lyrical motion. Big shout going out to Slow Power Jazz in the place. Big shout going out to Joanne Carter, Sam on the birthday. All of the minds feel cool. Big shout going out to Louise on her birthday from Liverpool. Up on time. Coming down. Wicked in the wine. Hardcore. Keeping you alive. Coming, that's all wicked in the wine. Can you feel the humble vibe? Hardcore something. How you reaching? You're riding with the sticks, man. You're riding with the DJ Dougal. We're pumping, that's all we're gonna wine. Look at the sound, taking live. Are you ready for the ride? Big shout going out to Wayne from the Cracky Dot crew. On the Liverpool and Manchester crew. Northwest Russell. Are you ready for the hardcore? You ready for the Dougal? Hardcore stomping. Coming, that's all we're gonna do. Hardcore vibe. Elevated, coming, that's all we're gonna do. Keep jumping, keep on bubbling, keep on rushing, wicked in wide. Respect to Alex. Hardcore blazer. You ready for the murder? Big shout going out to Harvard Granny and the Waverly Hill crew. You're riding with the DJ Dougal. Come in, that's all we're gonna do. I thought he's not here many times. Come in, that's all we're gonna do. Ready for the start test. Encore. We're gonna do live. Encore. Encore. We're gonna do live. Are you really bubbling? Are you really stopping? Hardcore raving. Big shout going out to all the best of the squad. Look at the time, it's activated. Hardcore blazer. Hardcore bubbling. Coming, that's all we're gonna do. Rolling with that hardcore vibe. That's me what I am. H-A-P-P-Y, that's hardcore vibe. We're coming, that's all we're gonna do. We're stomping all night long. We're coming, that's all we're gonna do. Hardcore crew, are you ready for the motion? We're gonna do wild. Hardcore blazer. reach forward. Hardcore style. Beat him in the one. Yeah, you're riding with the six man. Riding with the Dougal. Hardcore bubbling. Hardcore south turn. Put you in a motion. Hardcore raver. Big shout going out to the chica, the partner, the rider. Big shout going out to Dougal. Keep popping, elevated, up and down, with your heart and soul and mind. Keep popping, elevated, up and down, reach your heart and soul and mind. Pop it up, pop it up. Hardcore raver. Pop it up, pop it up. Reach! Hardcore crew! Big shout going out to DJ Neil and Jeff. Big shout going out to Andy and CMS crew. Wicked in the wide. Coming as over the time. Wicked in the wide. Hardcore vibe. Now you're activated. Now you got what that's running. You're gonna die, coming down. Now you're activated. Now you got what that's running. You're coming up over the line. Keep up it. Keep up it. Hardcore flavor. Keep up it. Keep up it. Hardcore motion. Breakdown, breakdown. Superstar, within and wide. Riding with the Dougal. Keep up it. Elevated. Keep up it. Up and up it. Keep up it. Elevated. Keep up it. Up and wave it. Pop it up, pop it up. Hardcore crew. Ready for the ride. Happy birthday going out to Kev. Big up Kelly. Keep up it. Wicked in the wide. Hardcore flavor. Keep up it. Keep on bubbling. Wicked and wide. Elevated. Activated. Now you're really moving. Keep up it. Keep on moving. Look at the sound coming down. Are you activated?
Show me, show the way to go. Show me, show the way to go. Life is like a dance.
Big shout going out to the Cool House Posse.
Show me, show the way
You're riding with the DJ Dougal, MC Sticks man.
Life
All the Liverpool crew, all the Manchester Ides, all the North Wales massive. Stop it up, stop it up. One, two, three, four. Who's that knocking at my door? Hardcore ravers want some more. Are you ready for the motion? 1, 2, 3, 4. Who's that knocking at my door? Hardcore ravers want some more. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop. Hardcore raver. Big shout on moving. Hold me down. Wicked and wicked and wicked and wild. Keep up it. Activated. Pump up later. Pump it down so wicked and wild. Hardcore flavor. You ready for the stop point? You ready with the six man? Hardcore murder. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready for that super ride? Keep that body bubbling. Keep on moving. Keep that body stomping. Big shot going out to the Western Coast. Kinetic crew, love you. Manchester crew. Yeah. Now we activated with the DJ Dougal. Hardcore bubbling. Keep that body pumping. Keep that body stomping. Are you reaching? Are you reaching for the time but now? You're riding with the Dougal. You're riding with the six man. Hardcore flavor. Respect to the cave. Keep pumping. Keep on moving. Look at the stars. Hold me down so we can run. Keep pumping. Keep on stomping. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. Hold me down. You're riding with the six man. Hey, hey, hey. You're riding with the Dougal. You're riding with the G-Car. We got the SD power. Here ya. Coming down. Wicked and wicked and wicked and wild. In that body. Pumping, pumping, pumping hard. Coming down. Wicked and wicked and wicked and wild. Keep pumping. Elevated. Reach. Here's the process. Reach. Keep stopping. Keep on raving. Keep stopping. Roll it down, we'll roll it down. Higher, K-P-P-Y. In on your acting hardcore. Yeah, we're wicked and we're wild. Keep bumping. Look at the side. Coming down so wicked and wild. Ready for the motion. Whistle blow. Look at the side. Coming down. Wicked and wild. Can you feel the hot vibe? Dougal taking you alive. Hardcore flavor. Hardcore bubbling. Keep that body moving. Keep on elevating. Coming, that's all we're gonna do. Hardcore vibe. Coming, that's all we're gonna do. Hardcore vibe. Stop it up, stop it up. Stop, stop, stop it up. Hardcore, stop it up. Stop it up, stop it up. Keep moving. Keep on bubbling. Keep on bubbling. Activated. Keep moving. Keep on bubbling. Hardcore blazer. Richard. Can I hear some noise for the DJ Dougal? Whistle please. Hardcore. Going out to Andy, set some legs, Andy loves ya, bad, 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 hardcore style, with love and devotion, on and on this into the light, can you feel the hardcore vibe, on and on this into the light, rolling on the hardcore. Coming. Do you love Kinetic? Do you love the Dougal? Do you love Kinetic? Do you love the Dougal? Hardcore stomping. Hardcore bubbling. Hey, hey. We're gonna do one. We're coming out over this time. Hardcore stomping. We're coming out over to the drive. Keep up it. Keep on moving. On the soul is elevated. Hold tight, Miriam. Can I hear some noise for the DJ? Dougal! Our Manchester crew, big up. Big up Mandy, Kelly's crew, Liverpool crew, Manchester crew, St. Helens Massive, Preston crew, big up. North Wales crew, Ellesmere Port crew, hey. Ready for the ride. Hardcore. Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up, pop. Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up now. Hardcore blazer. Big shout going out to Jimmy D from London town. Big shout going out to Kevin's birthday. Hey, hey, I'll put something. Look at the wine. How do you feel that that's all right? Hey, hey, keep on bubbling. Keep on stopping. I'll put waiting. Keep moving. Activating. Look at the size. I mean, that's all we can do the wine. Hardcore pumping. Hardcore bubbling. You're riding with the six man. Reach for it, crew. You know we love you. Hardcore love and devotion. We send it in a motion. Keep moving. Keep on stopping. Hardcore razor. Keep moving. Keep on bubbling. Hardcore coming down. Wicked and wild. Wicked, wicked. Wicked and wild. Hardcore vibe. Wicked, wicked, wicked and wild. Hardcore vibe. Wicked, wicked and wicked and wild. Hardcore stomping. Keep wicked. Keep up bumping. Elevate, elevate that soul and mind. Keep bumping. Keep on reaching. Hardcore raving. Yes, you know it's coming down. Hardcore movement. Hardcore bubbling. Hey! All of the hardcore crew. Respect you, respect you, respect you, yes you do what do. Hardcore crew. Pumping that's all we can do. Pumping that's all we can do. Can you feel the motion? Can you feel the vibe? Hardcore style, it's taking you alive. Can you feel the motion? Can you feel the ride? Hardcore style coming, wicked, wicked, wicked and wild. Keep pumping, activating. Hardcore styling, pumping that's all we can do. Keep pumping, keep on moving. Hardcore blazer. You're riding with the Dougal. You're riding with the six-man. Hardcore bubbling. You ready for the motion? Coming down, wicked and wild. Ready for the motion? Hardcore stomping. Move it up, move it up. Stop it up, stop it up. Hardcore bubbling. Homie, that's all wicked and wild. Can you feel the motion? Can you feel the ride? Can you feel the motion? The hardcore vibe. Keep moving. Keep on stopping. Look at the side, it's activated. Keep moving. Keep on rushing. Hardcore flavor. Hardcore coming down. Hey, hey. Hardcore bubbling. Hardcore stomping. Are you ready? Hardcore crew. You're riding with the sticks, man. Coming down, so I'm getting the ride. Big shout going out to Brent from the Candy Dog Crew. Hey, hey, hey. Respect you to you and you. Are you ready for the ride? Hardcore bubbling, hardcore stomping, keep on pumping, hardcore elevated. Coming down so we get in the ride. Feel up the hardcore vibe. Coming down so we get in the ride. Hardcore away. Pump it up, pump it up. Hardcore blazer. Kinetic crew, how you feeling? Hey, hey. Wicked. Respect you to Marnie, wherever she is. Right. Hardcore flavor. Hardcore bubbling. Hardcore flavor. Keep on stomping. Wicked and wild. Pump it up, pump it up. Hardcore bubbling. Pump it up, pump it up. Hardcore raising. Respect you to the state, Helen School. Hey, hey. Wicked and wild. Manchester University time. Hey, hey. Wicked and wild. Can you feel the vibe? Coming down so wicked and wild. Hardcore flavor. Keep that body pumping. Keep on elevating. Keep on rising. Respect you. You're riding with the six man. You're riding with the G-Car. You're riding with the Dougal. Kinetic crew. Yes, we love you. Manchester crew. Hardcore style. Wicked and wild. Pump it up, pump it up. Keep jamming. Keep on raving. Pump up, up it. Moving this way every time. Keep pumping. Pump up raving. Pump it, that's all we can do. Are you elevated? Hard and slowly rising. Are you elevated? Hardcore style. Hold tight, hold tight. All of the hardcore. Hold tight, hold tight. Do you really want to go? Hardcore. At your door. Hardcore blazer. Hardcore. Are you ready for the ride? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hardcore ravers at the door. Do you want some more? Hardcore vibe. Hardcore stomping. Hardcore bubbling. Ready for the stomping. Are you ready for the ride? Welcome to Hardcore Heaven. Welcome to Hardcore Heaven. Oh no, here we go. I gotcha, I gotcha, I gotcha. Oh no, here we go. I gotcha, I gotcha, I gotcha. Oh no, here we go. I gotcha, I gotcha. Oh yeah, gotcha. Oh no, here we go. Big bop, bada, bada, bop, big bop, bada, bada, bop, bop. Big bop, bada, bada, bop, bop. Big bop, bada, bada, bop, bop. Hold tight, Lisa, Paul, hold tight. Hold tight, all the crews. Hold tight, all the crews. What about Bobby Fat, bit of a rocket? Oh yeah, here it comes. I caught on the trouble. I caught on the double. The chica and the six man. First like a bubble. Rushing with the sound. Rush by your soul. The chica and the six man got control. I call your soul. I call your soul. The chica and the six man. We got control. You're rolling with the dream team. Dream scared for the murder. From Kinetic, oh, deliver. One time reach for the sky. Put your hands up so high. All your hands up so high. I want to see your body, oh, fly. Where you rushing so high. Rock your back, rock to one side. Oh, your body's so lovely, you're oh so fine. Straight down, you're sexy, baby, you're mine. I'm a shit with this side, I'll make your body so fine. your passport. Outside Craig, Liverpool Blues. Put your passport. Are you hardcore? You're not party for. Put your body in and you'll make a little more. Stand at the road if you want more. Hardcore, put your passport. Put your passport. Hardly down, take it if you want. How about I put your passport? I'm gonna take it if you want. One time with the elevator on the city. Charge, we come. Clap your hands for the passport tonight, the wicked night. Respect everyone. Hold down wherever you come from. Down to the building site. If you love your hardcore, jump up. If you love your hardcore, jump up. If you love your hardcore, put your hands on your knees and give it some more. If you love your hardcore, put your hands on your knees and make your bed some more. Outside Sue, Juliet, go. The lady, vertical pocket. Yeah. Oh yeah. We take you one step beyond. One step beyond. We take you there. One step beyond. We take you there. Sounds to make you twist and dance a little more. Yeah, come on. Rumpa, wipe out. Hardcore wipe out. Down to the wipe out. Techno wipe out. Oh my God. Rush upon this. Get yourself with a 55. Come down. Keep on out. Put down. Oh yeah, that's your back. Come down. You stop. I go down to a first time. Oh, it's not. I go to the original mouth. We go for the alcohol. That was that. I'll make you quick. Rush about this. Yeah. Oh no. Hardcore sound, you never gonna. Yeah. It's about that time. Please make some noise for the last one from Dougal, Machiko, and the Sticks Man. Kinetic crew, make some noise, boys. Yeah. Hold tight to Mandy. Mandy. Official Mandy. My body's so randy. To the last Mandy. Last one from the green team. Last one, here we go. Come on, Techno 5, coming on strong. Techno 5, coming on strong. Techno 5, coming on strong. That's the big dog, move your body on and on. Techno 5, coming on strong. With the beat now. Techno 5, move your body on with the beat now. Techno sound, coming on strong. With the beat now. Techno sound, move your body, move fucking on. Techno sound, coming on strong. Last one coming down. Make some noise, please. The last one of the night.
Oh, yes!
Last one of the night. Come on.
That was the last one. Good night, God bless. Make some noise for yourselves, Club Kinetic. Make some noise for yourselves. Yeah. We'll see you later. Good night, God bless. We'll see you next week.
Oh,
Happy birthday to Nick from St. Helens. Happy birthday to you. Check 2. Next week, Mongoose, the Music Makers, Stu Allen, Slip Matt Brisk, Easy Groove with a retro dread set. Next week, check it out.